Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Let's make a unicorn topper today. I have some fondant with me, a wire and some edible glue. First, let's make the head. I'm weighing out my fondant so you have an idea of the proportions. Here, we have 79 grams of white fondant for the head. Let's roll it into a ball first. Using your finger, make a dent slightly above the midline of the ball. This will be where the eyes will be drawn. Set it aside. Keep a piece of parchment paper or cling foil underneath it to keep it from sticking to the surface. Now let's move on to the body. I'm taking 54 grams for the body. Let's shape that into a cone. That's it. Just like that, that's the body. Set it aside as well. Now for the legs. I'm taking 2 balls of 6 grams each. Place it on both sides of her body. I'm not using edible glue here because my fondant is really tacky. If your fondant is dry, please use some edible glue to stick it. Now for the arms. Let's take 7 grams each. Now let's place them on the body. Again, use glue if needed. Set it all aside. Let's do the horn now. I have about 1 gram of gold color fondant. Shape it in a way that both the ends taper. Set it aside. Now let's add some support to the body. Here I'm using 26 gauge wire. You can also use a skewer. Ideally, we would now give her a smile and let her set overnight. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and assemble her. Worst case scenario, she might get a few folds on her arms. So once her head is on, we use this tool to give her a smile. Use an edible marker to draw the eyes. Oh, look how cute she looks, all bald. Her mane is the most time-consuming bit. It's not hard, just tedious. I'll speed up this bit to save you some time. Just make sure the first side bang is spot on. Once the head is covered, we'll give her a small streak on the back. Now on to her tail. Roll each color as long as the length you need for her tail. Bunch them together and twist them. My fondant was tacky, so I didn't need glue. If your fondant is dry, please use glue. Now place it next to her. What's missing now? Oh yes, the horn. Let's poke a small hole where it should go. This horn is a bit too long for her, so let's cut it short. Let's attach this with edible glue. We will later paint the horn and the soles of her feet in gold. There you go, the cutest little unicorn topper.